Once there was a boy who came home from his school and he had a note in his hand. The teacher had asked him to give that note to his mother. So he said to his mother that my teacher has asked me to give this note to you. Her mother's eyes were filled with tears when she read out aloud, your son is a genius and the school is too small for him. And this school doesn't have any good teachers to help your prodigy child ace more better in his life. Please teach him yourself. Now his mother was his teacher. Now the boy was so happy that he would be studying at his home and his teacher is his mother. Her mother worked so hard on him that he went on to become one of the greatest inventors of all time. I'll name him after the story ends. If you have heard this story before, you might have known his name already. So after achieving lots of success in his life and after his mother died, the son found the letter that his mother had kept from a long time. And the letter said, your son is mentally deficient and we cannot let him attend our school anymore. He is expelled from our school. And guess what? Who was that child? The person went on to become one of the greatest inventors of all time. None other than legendary Thomas Alva Edison. The person who invented electric bulb. Later on, Edison wrote in his diary, Thomas Alva Edison was a mentally deficient child whose mother turned him into the genius of the century. Now that's a really beautiful story. This completely tells us that how belief system can change the things. Thomas Alva Edison had always had this belief instilled in his mind by his mother that he's a prodigy, that he's a brilliant student and he can do whatever he wants to. And in reality, school had already tagged him as a mentally deficient child and they had expelled him. You have to take 100% responsibility of your life. Whatever is going around, it's in your hand. When you wake up early in the morning and if you can say, I can do whatever I want to do, then that belief will take you where you want to go. We decide the directions and those directions decide the destinations. Dream big, work harder. So when you have beliefs, when you believe in yourself, irrespective of what people think, irrespective of you are mentally deficient or mentally not sound, man, you can achieve a lot. This story has already inspired us. He became one of the brilliant mind. He is still the, I guess, top 5 minds I've ever seen. If there was no electric bulb, imagine how would things have gone from there. I guess we won't have been able to shoot these videos because of no light. We won't have been using internet. We won't have YouTube or Facebook or Amazon. So that one person changed the course of the history. That's what belief systems can do. Believing in yourself will always take you up and up in your life. If no one believes in you, don't worry. Just keep it in heart that you have this belief that you can achieve what you want to. You can do whatever you want to, irrespective of what the society thinks of me. And the one day will come when you'll turn back and say, now that's what I really wanted. And each one of us encounters some bad days, some good days in our life. But one thing that stays with you is you, your mindset, your heart that are already instilled in yourself. If you are in happy state of mind, you are in a strong mindset and you have a strong belief system, you hold the power to just do anything in this world. From anywhere, from scratch or from any level. I'm not saying for the sake of it, but you can see it around everywhere. Everywhere you see people achieving lot of things from nowhere. They have strong belief systems. And how can we build those strong beliefs in ourselves? Again, you have to realize your motives. You have to realize what you want to do in your life. And then keep a strong belief on it. I want to share my example with you. From the day I started this YouTube channel, I had a belief that no matter what, I'll be continuing this channel because I love to make videos, because I love to share my views, and it gives me happiness. And it might give happiness to you all as well. So that's the only motive behind this channel. Now what happens next? This channel grows or not? Will it hit 100k or 1 million subscribers? That's a way beyond thing. I've recently started this channel, but I'm taking everything step by step. And that's all you have to do in your life. For each and every goal, take those baby steps, dream big in your mind, and just make plans and execute. I wanted to share this great story because if a mentally deficient child can be the genius of the century, you can be anything. There's a very strong statement by Henry Ford who said, if you think you can or if you think you cannot, either ways you are right. So be careful what are you feeding to this mind. Have a great day. Have strong belief systems. We'll face failures, we'll face successes, no worries. And you can put your doubt in the comment section and the journey is gonna be exciting. So don't worry, grow out of your bad habit, your remorseful life, and do what you want to do. So thank you. Bye.